So, here we have a blowfish. Right, Ian? This is a blowfish.
Yeah.
Let me get a good shot of him from the front. So, in order to eat him, the spin,
You have to get the bones in.
these sharp, pointy bones have to be pulled out. So, he's using what is this, a wire cutter
Yeah.
to pull them out.
Our pliers.
So once you pull all the bone out, what will be the next step to prepare it for food?
I have to gut it. You have to gut it.
So is it all meat or like
After
a
I-
regular fish or?
Yes, all meat. After I gut it, I have to get all the bones out. Then I gut it. Take the gills out because the gills is inside
Oh.
this fish.
I never heard of gills being inside. This is a very time-consuming process.
Yes.
So how will you cook this fish?
Well, with coconut juice, you can curry it, you can brown it, you can cook it anyway.
So what's up, fish?
You see it?
Man, mother.
Yeah, man.
So what about on the fire?
You mean
You can like fry it or fillet it, or it has to be cooked whole?
No, you don't have to cook whole. You cut it up.
You can cut it up into
Yeah.
chunks or
Yeah,
fillets?
into chunks. Into
Okay,
chunks.
so it's a pretty meaty fish then.
Yes, yes. This is not a fish to fillet.
Okay.
This is almost like chicken, this fish.
A swimming chicken.
Yes.
What about teeth? Do they have teeth?
Yeah, ivory teeth.
Oh my God.
Like rocks.
Yeah.
And they eat stones and reef and all of that.
They eat stones on the reef.
Yeah.
Cool. This is a popular fish in Jamaica?
Yep. Yeah, it is. It is a popular fish in Jamaica.
And you can catch this fish year round?
Yeah, all year round you can catch this fish.
Is he usually caught on line or in the net, or in the cage?
Sometimes caught them in a cage. Or they shoot them. Spear fishermen
How was this one caught?
in the traps.
In one of the traps, like over there.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go look at the trap.
And show them the trap.
So here's your boats, commercial boats. And then over here is what they call a fish trap. They're quite large. And when they're put out, floats are actually attached to them, like so. So you see this is cane and chicken wire, and there's the funnel where they go in, but then they don't come back out.